One of our biggest achievements is introducing 3D printed direct casting resin to our customers all around the world. With this technology, we work about with 40 countries and many more to go. I'm Ramez Al-Herbawi, the CTO of Al-Sayed Design. Al-Sayed Design has been established in 2014 in Istanbul as extension of its parent company, Al-Sayed Gold and Refinery, which is in the market since 1984 in manufacturing, wholesaling and retailing. Actually, one of our biggest achievements is introducing 3D printed direct casting resin to our customers all around the world. With this technology, we work about with 40 countries and many more to go. Most of our customers from Middle East, North Africa, India, Indonesia, and different countries also. Actually, encryption plate software means that we can send the plates to our customer securely in a way that I can secure my designs. So this software gives us advantage in the way that we can send the files to the customer machines wherever he is. So now in this way, we solve a lot of complex problems. One of them is shipment, sometimes errors, also complex communications. And it also gave an advantage to the gold manufacturing because, it will take only one day to send the order to their machine to prepare the plates and send them to their machines. But if I'm gonna print these models in my machines, it's gonna take a long time in that way because there is a shipping time and production time. So in that way, we solved one of the most important things is time for customers and for manufacturing. So it gave us a lot of advantage points.